Hello, welcome to Metaverse Dev, home to everything Metaverse. In today's video, we'll learn about Decentraland and what we can do with it. So let's get started. Decentraland is a decentralized virtual reality platform powered by the Ethereum blockchain. Within the Decentraland platform, users can create, experience, and monetize their content and applications. As you can see, in this illustration, we can create offices, amusement parks, houses, convention centers, and anything else that you can imagine. To monetize the experience or not is a choice entirely left onto you. More on Decentraland. It's a finite, traversable 3D virtual space which is divided into parcels. And every parcel is an NFT stored in an Ethereum smart contract, which means once it's there, it cannot be changed or modified. We have fixed limit of parcels, which is around 90,000. Owners can buy the parcels, also known as land, from the DAO or from other owners by paying in mana tokens. Decentraland's own token. Parcels are permanently owned by the owners. They have full control over them. On the parcels, they can create static scenes and interactive experiences. Some parcels are held by the community and organized into districts and themed communities. As you can see in the Decentraland map, here parcels marked in green are owned by the community, which are not for sale, and purple ones are privately owned themed communities, again not for sale. Finally, the private lands marked in gray are the ones available for sale or purchase. How to build in Decentraland? There are two options. You can use the Decentraland builder or you can use the Decentraland SDK. We'll cover the builder in this video and we'll cover SDK in the later videos. Let's discuss about the Decentraland builder. It is used to build scenes in Decentraland. It provides an intuitive UI interface where you can drag and drop elements on the scene. We'll discuss more about that later. You can build as a guest, but you cannot save your changes as a guest. You can overcome this by installing MetaMask wallet and logging using that. To start building, go to the link shown on the screen. Once inside the builder, it's time to build something. Click on the plus sign on the top right. It will ask for the name and description for the scene. Enter any name or description. Accept the default size for your scene. This is nothing but the parcel size on which you will build your scene. Wait for it to load. So once it's loaded, we can see that we have an empty parcel on which we can build our scene, and there's a library of assets on the right side that we can use. Let's use some assets now. Let's search for a building. Let me use this building. And let me see what all other assets I can use. So I can use some new assets. Let's use this temple, which is again a small building. And we can just adjust their sizes, their location. So right now we're just adjusting their location, but we can get to their sizes as well if we are not very happy with how they are looking on the scene. So once we have this, let's look at some water or a pool. So let's use this, adjust it, and then let's put some chairs and tables. Yeah, while we are adjusting them, let me show you the way to duplicate them. So you select an asset and then you click on this button, which will duplicate that item, and it will actually put it on the same item. So you can just drag it to your respective location. So this is the chair and the table that I've added. I'll again duplicate it, and then I'll just adjust them. And then I can maybe use some flag here and just duplicate it and put it here. So as you can see, there are endless possibilities. So maybe you can just use a picture frame or a banner. Can I search for a banner or something? Maybe image. Yep. So if you see here, I can maybe put this here, and then I can use it to rotate it. So Yep. So I can rotate it and then maybe adjust its position. And there's a way to show the image on it. So if you see this, if you can provide an image in the external image URL, you can show that image where you can maybe discuss like what this scene is about, right? And you can put like a lot of elements here. You can also upload your assets, but for uploading your assets you need to log in using MetaMask wallet that we'll cover in the later videos. So this is how you add an asset, but as soon as you try to do that, it asks you to sign in using one of these options. Now quickly discuss the options which are available on the top. So this is the toggle arrows. So this is used to basically align your assets on the scene. So let's say if you have a multi-story building and you want to put something on the first floor, then this is actually helpful because there's no way to, you see this? So it's in the air. So that's how you put something on the first floor, right? So this is for the toggle arrows. This is the toggle orbits that we use to rotate this asset. You can rotate it on any of the axes. And this is the toggle scaling. So let's try to use this. So if I do this, then I can actually scale it horizontally or vertically. It might look absurd, but for some of the objects, it's really necessary, especially the objects which are very small. This is to reset the items. If you make the changes, then you do like undo, then you get your previous change back. This is for the duplicate item that we've already discussed. This is for deleting a specific item, right? So now you have created your scene. Now you want to explore your scene, right? So let's see how to do that. You just click on the preview button and then you are in the scene. You can move in the scene using WASD key. So if you have played any video games, you know, like that's how they all work. So using WASD, you can move here and there, and you can use your mouse to orient your camera view. So you can walk into it and you can walk out of it, and you can interact with your elements if you have any interactive elements there. So you can see there's a default image which is displayed there that you can use. You can also put some video elements here, and you can point to a video link and you can play and pause that video. There are also some smart items like radio which will play some music. You can switch on and off the music. So there are a lot of assets that you can put and experiment with. That's all in this video tutorial. If you like it, please hit the like button. For more such videos, do press the subscribe button. I would love your feedback, so please share it in the comment section. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.